let's play our favorite outrageously professional game, Garbage Disposal Trivia, where we find out what can go down the drain and what belongs in the trash. Let's keep your pipes clean and those repair bills away. Let's play. All right, first up, coffee grounds. Smells amazing, but can it go down the disposal? Nope, coffee grounds are like wet sand clogging up your pipes. Great for compost, horrible for your drains. All right, next up, it's zesty, it's citrusy, and it's kind of a garbage disposal legend. It's a lemon peel. Yes, toss them in. They help freshen things up. Just don't go peel crazy. Moderation is key. All right, next one. Asparagus. Delicious roasted, but what about the leftovers? Can they go down your disposal? And better not. It's fibrous and stringy and can wrap around the blades. Okay. Pasta. Cooked, innocent looking, slippery, innocent, right? Wrong. They expand in water and create a sticky mess. Say no to pasta pipes. Okay, final question, ice. Yep, ice can go down the garbage disposal. It freshens things up and keeps the blades clean. Thanks for playing. It's always best to know before you throw. Your garbage disposal will thank you. Is there a food item you're not sure about? Drop a comment below to test your sink smarts. Now, if a few of these answers surprised you, remember, at Dean's, we do drains.